Here is a nest. Look, Ned, here is a nest. The hen made it from hay. Can you see her chicks, Mary? Her brother asked. The hen flapped her wings and clucked at them, but she moved to one side so Ned and Mary could see her babies. 6 of them, Mary said. They're so cute. Little yellow chicks, Ned said. I want to touch one. The hen clucked loudly. She's saying no and protecting them, Mary said. I want to pick one up, Ned said. The hen clucked twice, even louder. She doesn't want you to touch them, Mary said. I want to play with them, Ned said. The hen clucked 3 times very loudly. She is getting mad at you, Ned. She wants to keep her chicks safe, Mary said. Okay, Ned said. I will run and get some food and water for them. Then we can help the hen look after her babies. Questions. What is a nest made of? The nest is made of hay. How many chicks are in the nest? There are 6 chicks in the nest. What will the children do for the little chicks? They will give the chicks food and water. Why won't the hen let Ned play with the chicks? The hen is protecting the chicks.